Hi guys, so this is my snow blowing tractor for the year. Picked this tractor up back in the summer. I've got the hood for it here. Bought it off of a guy a couple hours north of here. And it's a 1968 C8 tractor. So it's got the high and low range. It's a little dirty on the bottom end, but a lot of it came off. I only just noticed that oil gauge is not quite right. But it seems to be a pretty decent runner. It cuts out on me every once in a while, and I'm not sure why. Sometimes it starts right back up, sometimes it might take a few minutes. But I put the snowblower on it back at the beginning of November, and it's after Christmas, and I still have not been able to use it. So that's a little disappointing. But other than that, this would be the third Gravely L style tractor that I've owned. My previous two are 5-horse tractors, and I was amazed the first time I ever got this one running at just how much quieter it is. I don't know, that's probably got something to do with the exhaust valve timing. That would make a little bit of sense to me. But it's quite a bit better shape than my older tractors. But let's see if it'll fire up. Turn the gas on. Give it some choke. This choke cable freezes when it's cold, so that's a bit of a pain. I'll give it a little throttle. Starter button down there.